Hello and welcome to my channel Making Money and Finance. I have a new video for you today. What is SEO and how does it work? Before I begin, I want you to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel so that you are the first to know when we upload a new video. And if you find our video useful, please share it with your friends and family. What do you know so far about search engine optimization, SEO? You may have heard that search engine optimization, SEO, can help drive traffic to your website and gain you higher rankings, but you aren't exactly sure how it works or what areas you should focus on, are you? Now, in this video, we are going to attempt to explain the fundamentals to you so that you can establish a connection between what you've learned and the real world. What you need to know about search engine optimization, SEO, if you want to make money online. Let's begin by posing the most apparent question possible. What exactly is search engine optimization, SEO? First off, search engine optimization, SEO, is the technique of acquiring traffic through free, organic, editorial, or natural search results on search engines. This type of traffic is also referred to as natural search. Its purpose is to boost the position of your website in the search engine results pages. Keep in mind that the higher the website appears in the search results, the more people will visit it. It takes a lot of work to make anything like this happen, including things like finding relevant keywords that have a high search traffic potential. Developing high-quality, user-friendly content and then optimizing it for both users and search engines is a crucial step. Incorporating pertinent connections coming from high-quality websites, monitoring the outcomes of your efforts. Because of these factors, SEO is a vital component of the marketing process. It is essential that you have a firm grasp, right off the bat, of the distinctions that exist between the organic, natural search that is synonymous with SEO and the paid search. There are 5 primary distinctions between the two. The primary distinction is that organic search results are displayed lower on search engine results pages than paid search results are. Paid search results appear at the top of search engine results pages. Time is another significant factor that differentiates paid search from organic search. When using paid search, you will obtain results almost immediately, often in just a few minutes. When using organic search, however, you will have to wait longer for results, typically weeks, months, or even years. Therefore, if you want to be successful with organic search, you need to play the game over the medium to long term. When it comes to payment, well, you probably guessed it from the name. Sponsored search results involve paying for traffic. A cost per click, CPC, model underpins pay per click, PPC, advertising models. This indicates that you will be charged a price each time a user clicks on your advertisement. Therefore, rather than relying on organic traffic to your website, you should buy traffic for your page by paying Google to show your ad whenever a visitor searches for your term. This will ensure that your website receives the exposure it needs. Traffic from organic search results doesn't cost anything, but it does need an investment of your time as well as your resources. When it comes to paid search, calculating the return on investment, also known as ROI, is a significantly less complicated endeavor. This is due in part to the fact that Google supplies more keyword data that may be captured via Google Analytics. On the other hand, ROI may remain the same over time with paid search or even decrease. The return on investment, ROI, can be more difficult to calculate when using organic search, but it often increases with time. Organic search has the potential to provide an excellent return on investment over the course of a longer time frame. When it comes to the percentage of traffic, approximately 20 to 30% of searchers click on paid results, whereas 70 to 80% of searchers click on organic search results. Therefore, the majority of clicks are actually being directed toward the organic results. It's not all about the contrasts. Sponsored and organic search share several characteristics in common as well, including the following: researching keywords. When conducting either sponsored or organic search, you will need to use a search engine, and both will demand the user to enter a term. Therefore, you should conduct keyword research for both organic and paid search engines. Landing pages. You will need to construct landing pages for whatever kind of search you conduct. Connecting the landing page to the website is necessary for search engine optimization. For sponsored search, the landing page can be the identical one that you use for organic search, or it can be an entirely different page that is completely separate from your website and sits off to the side. The generation of traffic is a primary objective of both paid and organic search engine optimization strategies. The most crucial thing to note is that user intent is included in both sponsored and organic search traffic. In other words, if someone is using Google to ask a question or search for information, it indicates that they are in an active mindset, and as a consequence, they are more likely to take action once they have found the information they were looking for. Knowing how to get your brand, website, or company found by searchers is a core skill for anyone who is trying to make money online, and understanding how SEO is evolving will keep you at the top of your game. If you are trying to make money online, knowing how to get your brand, website, or company found by searchers is a core skill. Although search engine optimization, SEO, frequently undergoes minor adjustments, its fundamental principles do not change. When it comes to search engine optimization, SEO, we can split it down into three primary components or pillars that you need to be familiar with. Optimization of the technical aspects. In search engine optimization, SEO, technical optimization refers to the practice of carrying out operations on a website that are intended to boost SEO but are not connected to the site's content. It frequently takes place out of public view. On-page optimization. On-page optimization is the process of ensuring that the information on your site is relevant and provides a wonderful user experience. On-page optimization is also known as SEO, search engine optimization. It involves targeting the appropriate keywords across your material and can be accomplished through the use of a content management system. Off-page optimization. Off-page optimization is the practice of improving the search engine rankings of your website by engaging in actions that are not directly related to the website itself. Backlinks play a significant role in this, as they contribute to the overall reputation of the website. People turn to search engines whenever they have a question to which they need an answer and are looking for that solution on the internet. Computer programs called algorithms are used by search engines to sift through data in order to provide users with results that are highly relevant to their queries. When searching for online sites, search engines use algorithms to determine which pages should be ranked highest for a particular keyword. Crawling, also known as the discovery stage, indexing, often known as the filing stage, and ranking, also known as the retrieval stage, are the three stages that make up the process by which search engines operate. Crawling is the initial stage in the process. Web crawlers are sent out by search engines to discover newly published pages and record information about them. Their mission is to unearth hitherto unknown web pages and, also, to revisit previously explored websites on a regular basis in order to determine whether or not the content of those sites has been modified or brought up to date. Crawling websites involves search engines following links they've already found on the pages they visit. The indexing process is the second phase. When a search engine indexes a website, it is making the decision as to whether or not it will use the content that it has crawled previously. When a web page is crawled by a search engine, the page is evaluated to determine whether or not it should be included in the index. This index is employed during the very last stage of the ranking process. When a piece of content, such as a website page, is indexed, it is filed and saved in a database so that it can be retrieved at a later time. The majority of web pages that offer content that is both unique and valuable are included in the index. It is possible that a website page will not be included in the index for one or more of the following reasons. The content of the page is judged to be redundant. The website page is seen as having poor value. The website page does not contain original information. It was impossible to crawl on it. The website or domain in question did not have any incoming links. Ranking is the third phase, which is actually the most essential step in the process. Only once the stages of crawling and indexing have been finished can the ranking process begin. Your website will be able to receive a ranking after it has been crawled and indexed by a search engine. There are about 200 different ranking signals that search engines use to organize and rank information, and they may all be categorized under one of the three primary tenets of search engine optimization, which are technical optimization, on-page optimization, and off-page optimization. The following is a list of some examples of signals that search engines employ to rank websites. The existence of keywords in the title tag, whether or not the keyword or a similar word was used elsewhere on the page or in the title tag of the document. The amount of time it takes for a web page to load, as well as whether or not it is compatible with mobile devices. Reputation of the website. Whether or not the web page and website in question are regarded as credible resources for the subject being investigated. If you learned anything from this video, please share it with a friend, press the like button, and subscribe below if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching.